Alright, hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a new Word document, save it, close it using the File menu, and then open it again from there. Super easy, and it's something you'll use all the time. So let's start by opening Microsoft Word. Once it loads up, you'll see a few options on the screen. Just go ahead and click on Blank Document to open a new one. That gives you a fresh page where you can start typing whatever you need. Could be homework, notes, a letter. Anything, really. Now, once you've typed a bit and you're ready to save your work, move your mouse up to the top left and click on File. From the menu that appears, click on Save As. Choose where you want to save it, maybe the desktop or your Documents folder. Give the file a name you'll remember, and hit Save. And just like that, your document is now saved. Now, instead of clicking the little X to close the document, let's do it through the menu. Go back up to File again, and this time scroll down and click on Close. That'll close just the document, not the whole Word program. Now let's say you want to open that file again later. You're still in Word, so from here, click on File once more, then click Open. You'll probably see the file listed under Recent Documents if it was something you just worked on. If it's not there, click Browse, go to the folder where you saved it, click on the file, and it'll open right back up. And there you go. That's how you create, save, close, and open a Word document using just the File menu. Super simple stuff once you get the hang of it. Hope that helped, and I'll catch you in the next video.